Like how every single one of these weapons has a special fire.
Yeah. Wait, the shotgun is like the electric.
What
shells,
the?
right?
Roger that, everyone out of the chute!
Running away.
Oh God! What? Where did it come from? It just appeared in front of me. God help me!
I saw that. You rolled down and just died.
Oh, again!
Why did you go back?
What?
You were supposed to go forward. What? It can't kneel, you idiot.
Oh my God, stop moving so erratically.
Down. God damn
I'm
it.
down. I'm dead. I died.
Where are you?
Right here. I don't know where. I'm dead. I'm full on dead.
I was like, I don't see you.
I'm not down.
God damn
My
it.
dead body. My dead body isn't visible. It fell into the crack in space and time.
Don't worry, this looks like a checkpoint. I'm sure you'll be respawned in like
3 minutes.
Listen, you follow my lead. Got it?
There it is. Yeah. Like, it seems like it's supposed to be this big, terrible thing.
What do I do?
No!
What?
How? It says a teammate's down, go help them when I'm dead. It's great.
What am I supposed to do there?
I don't know, man. This game is just, oh God, so many things wrong.
Explore the world around for health, armor, and ammo pickups. It might just save your life.
Yeah, right.
Or you'll just fucking die.
Or you'll just get insta-killed while trying to go under a
Yeah, you crouched first, and I crouched by you, and then you got hit forward, and it looked like you did a roll, and then you just died.
It just popped out of nowhere, I swear.
Focus, let's keep moving!
Running away. Bye, bro.
Roger that, everyone out of the chute!
See, I was trying to go this way, and I still died. Watch out. It'll just auto-kill you if you get too close. Just keep running.
No, the save is safe.
Oh, so just... is this gonna be like guerrilla tactics? Gotta
Yeah.
run and gun, then go back in the hole, and... That's actually kind of nice.
Are your melee still at 2?
I don't know, man. I haven't
Ow.
tried.
Yeah, that should have been a melee.
But that
Only
one's
count
kicking
one.
your ass.
It finally counted one!
Good job. Very nice.
Very nice.
Damn it, we're cut off!
Oh God. I can't wait to see what bullshit this game is going to throw at us next.
Damn it. Okay, we need to make a run for the gate.
Wait, can you see it?
Seriously? We don't even know if he's alive.
Listen, you follow my lead. Got it?
Going left! Going left!
Why?
Cause I don't know where to go!
That's fair.
Oh, that's the beginning.
What? Wait, what? Oh no! There he is! Oh, damn it! You don't even have time to react. Like, what? What the hell? Help me. Unless he comes at you. Also, he looks only vaguely larger than the others, so a lot of the times you can't even... No? Where is he? Where is he? Oh, shit! God damn it! Don't come after me. It's not worth it.
I don't know where I'm supposed to
Oh, I just died.
I don't know where I'm
so
supposed to
dead.
run to.
Oh, this is so...
Where did they go?
so bad. This is just... Oh, well, my body disappeared.
Oh, God.
I don't know what to do. Just... This is the worst.
That's where you're supposed
This
to
is
go.
the worst thing. Like, how could you tell? Everything's gray and box-like. including the... Oh, just everything. The guns.
Frag out. Frag out.
Dude, look at those. Look at that fire.
Oh shit.
Look, when they're on... Could they... Gearbox is known for making, like, Borderlands, right?
Wait,
Where-
Gearbox made this game?
Yes. Where
Really?
did they go wrong?
You want to see that melee not?
I mean, I know where they
It
went
didn't count. I'm
Didn't-
so confused. Like I don't even understand anymore. Are you back? Damn.
No,
I'm
I'm completely
Are you
dead.
back here? Come on. There has to be a checkpoint.
I can still see the big guy.
God damn it.
I can still see the big guy running
You
around
know,
in the
I'm gonna have
background.
to deal with the big guy in a minute too.
Look at him. He's just sort of... God, what is he doing? Is he, like, looking for a contact lens?
Where do I go? Where do I go?
Bro, I lost my credit card.
Let me in here.
I'm back.
Oh god. Power loader.
To survive? Really? Is that what it just said? But there's only one power loader, so does that mean I'm gonna die?
Bitches. What is this? What? What do I do?
I can't do anything. And I just got hurt.
Where is he? What do I do?
Ah! Shotgun stronger than you. I'm getting better, I think. As I say that, I'm gonna die.
Oh my god. What did I just do to it? What
Did you just
the-
kick its butt? Or
I
did
like
you back it
grabbed it. This is so derpy. Ow! He just headbutted me.
I think it wants to live.
This is so difficult. Like, look at this! Oh my god! What do I... Oh! How is it alive? I just like broke its neck! Ugh. Ow. It's like we go back and forth like...
See, I like the lack of climactic.
Do you see what's going on in my screen?
I don't know what's going. I'm too busy trying
Look.
not to die, which I'm about to do anyway. This is pretty fucking.
Where is
terrible.
it?
This is terrible.
Ugh. Ugh.
Dude, they're not gonna keep coming. They're not gonna stop coming until. Okay, seriously.
Look at my...
What are you doing? What is that? What did you just do?